Hello again, and welcome back to What's the Story? Setting the record straight on some of the misinformation posted in the comments section of social media pages. Comments like this one from Chad, who argues that with the money it costs to replace the metal halide lights in the warehouse he works in with LEDs, the return on investment is years away and not worth it. While the upfront price tag of installing new energy efficient equipment can be expensive, the payback period might surprise you. In Chad's example, it's tough to say for certain what the payback would be with the limited information, but it's likely more in the 2 to 3 year range. In the meantime, let's talk about how those new LEDs would affect Chad's business in other positive ways. Studies have shown that brighter, flicker-free LED lighting can lead to increased employee productivity. Improved visibility reduces the risk of accidents, enhancing workplace safety. A well-lit environment with comfortable lighting boosts employee morale, fostering a more positive and productive work atmosphere. If Chad ran a retail business, the benefits go even further. Studies have shown that the brighter, more natural light of LEDs make products appear more vibrant, influencing customer buying decisions. Well-lit stores with LEDs are perceived as cleaner and more trustworthy. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Upgrading to LED lighting is a great example, but the benefits of energy-efficient equipment extend far beyond. Installing variable frequency drives creates a quieter work environment and extends the life of machinery. New boilers and pumps can ensure reliable heating and consistent comfort levels for employees. Even seemingly minor upgrades like steam traps can contribute to a smoother operation and potentially even increased production. So while the upfront cost and payback periods are something to consider, the long-term benefits of energy efficiency go far beyond just saving money on your utility bill. They can create a happier, healthier, and more productive work environment for everyone. Next week on What's the Story? Installing energy efficient equipment in the workplace is tedious and confusing.